What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, today we are replacing a blower motor. So if you would, if this video helps you out in any way, please like, share, please share and subscribe. All right, appreciate it, guys. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so this is what we're doing today. This right here, we're taking the blower motor out of here. So just to show you, that's it. We have to unplug that, and then you've got screws. You got like a screw over here, and then you got other screws in there. You got like a screw back here, right there, and then screw there, and then screw here somewhere. Yeah, screw right there. So if you just wanted to take the bottom out, if you feel more comfortable with that, that's what this is. And it's really not hard. You just have to, like, you got a wire right here. You have to unplug this from right here. This right here goes right there. And then just, you just got a couple these little grommets here, and you got one here, and it just sticks. This is really not hard. It just sticks up in there like that. But so I took that out, and then I also took, and it's not really hard to take this out, but what a lot of people don't know is that you got one screw here and you got one screw here. But what they don't know is that these screws are a little different, because they go in like that. And if you look at yours and it looks like that, where's my other one at? Oh, there it is. If you look at yours and they look like that, those actually have to come out, which, you've seen it just come out. And down in there is a T20. A T20 goes in there. And when I say T20, so actually a T20, that right there is a T20. And that actually goes in there. And you can take that out right there. And then you have to take that one out right there. And then when you screw them out, that's what you have. And then, just regular stuff. Like right here, you got 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Down here, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those are 7 millimeters. Yeah, just regular screws, but they're 7. They're gonna look like that. Just regular screw, but they're 7 millimeter. And that's probably the biggest thing to opening this up right here. Just so you can get a better look at it, you can get more light down into it. That's just the way, I would rather do it, which a lot of people won't show you that because it takes a little more time. But it just depends on, it really just depends on what you want to do and how much time you have. Just makes it easier. Okay. All right. Man, yeah, I'm glad I took all of this out, because it is so dark up under there, and you have to squeeze. I mean, I'm not a small guy, but you have to squeeze under there, use both hands to take, you have 1, 2, 3 screws out, and use my T20. Uh-oh, phone that way. Yeah, so it was not easy, but here it is. Well, I think I still need to unplug it. Yeah, I still need to unplug it. So May be easier to unplug once I get it out. But that should be all I need right there. I have to use 2 hands, I'm sure. So, and this is what the other one looks like. There's a possibility that I might have opened. No, well, maybe. I guess there is a possibility that I opened it backwards, but I mean, if we look at them, I think they look pretty good. Okay, out with the old, in with the new, which I kind of like it. Looks a little spiffy. Okay, I did come with a little bit of a snag. One thing I do want you to remember is this can actually go in a couple different ways. Well, it cannot go in a couple different ways. You will get 2 screws in a couple different ways. But what you want to make sure of is that you have this plug right here. Yeah. Well, where'd it go? The plug right here needs to be to the front. Yeah, that plug needs to be to the front. Because if it's not to the front, you've probably got it in wrong. And all 3 screws will not fit. That last screw will probably be off about an eighth of an inch. So let's just make sure we can plug this in. So as long as you can plug that in, I don't think you will have too many other problems. Well, the last screw's under there somewhere, right there. So just make sure that's facing this way, and you have like a little fat piece. That fat piece is to the back. Yeah, it's to the back there. All right, guys. So that concludes this video. I really appreciate you guys watching. Really appreciate all that you do for the channel. I'm going to try to set up a Patreon, so that should be coming soon. But for now, I appreciate it, guys. Be good to yourself, and if you don't do nothing else, be good to someone else. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Bye.